we have very important announcement. Instead of 18 of this month, it has been preponed to on 17. So on 17 there will be rally and deputation to district magistrate of all the districts and our rank and file, all the workers, grassroots level, district level, block level, our leaders and workers will be organizing the deputation. So in the deputation we have only one single issue which will be submitted to the district magistrate, addressed to the governor, because Tipra Motha has already submitted our appointment with the governor of Tripura, but so far we have not received any positive reply. Therefore we thought we are going to launch peaceful democratic movement in front of the district magistrate of all the districts, and it will be addressed to the governor, appraising the governor to exercise his power of constitution to summon for village council election, which is already behind the schedule of 1 year. Therefore, we feel the same governor, head of the state, constitutional head of the state also, like President of India, Prime Minister of India, Governor, Chief Minister, they are all abiding under the Constitution of India. But why they are not organizing this village council election? We are surprised. So we will be moving the office of the governor to convince him. The same governor is under the Constitution. So under the Constitution of India, 6th schedule has to be implemented. Why they are not implementing it? So it seems to be very shy and shame for us to appraise His Excellency the Governor, who is the head of the state, to implement the 6th schedule provision under Indian Constitution. This is one single issue. So instead of 18, we have decided on 17. And all rank and file of our leaders of all stages will jump to convince the governor, because district council is under the governor according to 6th schedule provision.